whenever you start a facial, always start with wet cleansing. Simple wet cleansing, normal water in a cotton swab and just clean your face, the excess dust. No product, nothing. For number one step, simple water cleansing with a normal wet swab. Now we are using a cleansing cream for her face since she has a mature skin. Now mature skin is always high in sensitivity and it is towards dryness. So you need a product which nourishes her skin more intensely than any other requirement for skin. So we are using salmon cleansing milk, right? The product contains a lot of beauty oil. It's a combination of natural beauty oils which will going to nourish her skin very deeply. Right? So the right cleanser for her type of skin is a salmon cleansing milk. You can use, since she is not wearing any makeup on her face, so we are directly applying the cleanser. Otherwise, first you will remove a makeup remover. So now cleansing is actually a two-step procedure. Cleansing 1 means your makeup remover. Cleansing 2 is your cleaning face. Don't always first remove eye makeup, then lipstick, then foundation breaker, and clean your face immediately, which will not be going to take more than 4 to 5 minutes, and then reapply the cleansing product on the face and go with the cleansing strokes. Now whenever you are doing cleansing, don't use your palms. Always use your fingertips and in a circular motion, because you are removing impurities. You are going to remove the impurities from the skin. So if you are using your palm, actually your palm strokes helps the product to induct the product into the skin. Now you are removing impurities out from the skin. So you don't use palms, always use your fingertips and only circular motion direction. No different other strokes are required when you are using cleansing. Use these strokes when you give the different massages. And don't spend too much time on cleansing step. Cleansing means your makeup remover should be like completed within 5 minutes, and then 5 minutes maximum the second step. In 10 minutes cleansing part is completed. Don't spend too much time of the step 1, which is cleansing. Now after cleanser we use toner. It's not in every facial, whatever facial you are giving, you have to use toner after cleansing step. And the application is a little different. You are supposed to wipe it off, just dab the toner on the skin to refine the pores. We are using rose water toner for her since her skin is dry and mature. So that's why we are not using Punarna, we are using rose water toner, which is a hydrating toner. So we are going to hydrate the skin also, because it has very important ingredient, which is rose extract, and reduce the sensitivity, soothe out the skin. So now, because we have used a cleanser, which has disturbed the layer of your skin. So we are using toner to refine the pores, to soothe out the skin, and to maintain or to restore your layer, your protection layer. And the way of the application technique is you have to dab it on the face. Don't wipe it like this. Just have to dab like this. It gives a final cleansing of your cleanser also. Now after cleansing and toning, you must have seen that we use exfoliation. We do exfoliation, we use scrub. Why scrub as a third step? Third step means because you need to prepare your skin. First, unless and until your skin is prepared, the massage product you are using, the bags you are using, the serum you are not going to work on the skin. To prepare your skin, we do exfoliation. For exfoliation, you need a product which has an exfoliating granules, which helps in removing the dead cells from the upper layer of the skin. So now this is a scrub, a diamond scrub. It contains a natural ingredients apart from diamond ash and diamond husk, it has jojoba oil. Jojoba oil again gives you a very nice hydration effect. Right? Jojoba is known for removing dryness. So in every step we are using diamond ash, and apart from diamond ash there are other ingredients also, because a facial is a procedure in which you have to give the complete treatment to the face. You have to nourish the face, you have to improve the blood circulation, you need to do an detoxification from skin. And since diamond, especially diamond, is a product, is a element which helps you in controlling your aging signs. To control your aging signs, how does it work? It increases your detoxification procedure which is going inside your skin. So this detoxification procedure accelerates your antioxidant activity in the skin, which controls your free radical, which is damaging inside your skin, right? So diamond, especially diamond, is why we call that it is working on your previous control. How do it going to control your signs? First of all, it will going to accelerate the detoxification procedure by its healing properties, by its therapeutic properties. So what happens? All the toxins will start going into the blood. The bad toxins start going transferred to the blood, and to the blood it will going to through the whole procedure, the circulation procedure, in which the impurified blood goes, and then purified blood, and eventually it goes out from your body. So there is a procedure which is continuously happening in the body, but there are few products, there are few elements which accelerates that procedure. Right? So Dinotox, now we have applied a scrub which has a diamond and jojoba oil, and there are other ingredients in, and the granules which we use a granules, round circular granules, which are very a small particle size and don't have any sharp edges. So it's very mild for your skin, and that's why we call that our products are made for all skin type. Now this scrub is very mild, suitable for all skin, provided if skin, like for her skin, you can, since she has a matured skin, but her skin is not very sensitive or very dry, so you can use a soft peeling machine on this step. You must have seen a small machine with a round circular brush, right? You have, some of you must have used it also. There is a machine, peeling machine, a small handy machine with a round circular brush, right, for peeling. So if you have that machine, then use this machine on this step. It will give you a very nice polishing effect. Then you have to be careful about the soft skills for the machine. Always maintain the hygiene factor. You have to wash it and properly sterilize the brush after using on the client, and then make wet. Always use wet brush. Don't apply direct. You cannot apply a direct brush. Always use wet brush, and then protect your hairline with the band, and then apply a scrub. Leave it for 2 minutes. Apply a scrub with brush, and then leave it for 2 minutes, and then give a peeling effect with that machine. It's a very safe machine, very easy to use, right? But it's going to help you in enhancing the result of the product. So we are using that. Now we are not using any machine here. So we are doing a massage we are exfoliating only with hands. Now again, at this step also we not use palms. We will only use our fingers. Fingers, because the whole pressure of your fingers, it's all controlled with your fingers. Right? You can first of all always confirm with your client the pressure, her comfort level is very important, and then start exfoliating and with a mild pressure. Don't use palms, only fingers, round circle. No strokes are required, no special massage strokes are required. We always advise to give exfoliation with fingers on sensitive skin, because on fingers you can actually control your pressure. Wherever you require more on concentrated areas, you can apply more. In peeling machine, you can control it. So you can go with machine, but not on mature or highly sensitive skin. See, there are different modalities in cosmetology which are used to enhance the results of the product and to enhance the efficacy of the actives and ingredients used in product. So the modality means there are few machines. How many of you are using machines in your facials? Okay. Which machines you are using? Ultrasound. Okay. Peeling machine. Sorry? You have all kind of machines. Very good. Because these machines really helps you to give the better results, and also it gives you a very professional image also, because when client is coming to you, and if you and another thing is you can charge more. See, if you are going to keep a facial in, I don't know about the prices here. If you're giving expensive facial, then try to add machines, modalities in a facial that will help you to charge more, justify the amount, whatever you are charging. Then the client will be happy and more satisfied that yes, she got a facial done in a very high professional manner. So, and again, it's going to help the products very much, because these modalities helps to carry the actives and ingredients inside the layers of the skin. Because when we are working with hand, we are just working on the upper layer of the skin. We have basic layer, there are 21 layers of skin, but if we generally talk about 3 layers of skin. Your epidermis, dermis and subdermis. So when you are working on epidermis are moisture level. The moisture level depends on your epidermis. On the 4th layer, there is a moisture level which is your natural moisturizing factor. So you can moisturize the skin at a certain level only. But if you want to carry the active and ingredients which are going to work, now we are talking about aging signs. We want to control aging signs. But all the the true layer, skin is second layer, dermis. So in dermis, you have sebaceous glands, you have collagen and elastin fibers which gives you strength to the skin, you have sweat glands, you have everything which is responsible for the functions of skin is present in second layer. So if you want to carry the active to the dermis layer, then these modalities helps you. These machines helps you. Like ultrasonic machine. Ultrasonic machine is based on the ultrasound waves. Right? So if you use ultrasonic machine on gel or cream, then it will be going to carry the actives to the deeper layer. So that's what we want. We want the actives and ingredients to go into the deeper layer. Deeper layer means the second layer. We want to work on second layer, because that's the true layer of skin. Dermis is the true layer of skin, because all the functions, all the benefits we are going to get is from the second layer only. If you want to control oil, then your oil producing gland is present in dermis layer. You want to firm the skin, your collagen and elastin fibers are present in second layer. You want to control the sweat, then again your sweat gland is present. Everything is in second layer. Third layer is just of fatty cells. It doesn't contain any important or things which are responsible for function. Main is your second. For second layer, use few machines, use ultrasonic. You can use for deep cleansing. For second layer cleansing, you can use galvanic machine also. These 2-3 machines are very easily available and very easy to use. You can, all of the people who are sitting here can easily use these machines. You can see that after exfoliation, her skin has become more clearer, and you can see a light sheen on her skin. Completely clean the scrub, And another tip is whenever you're cleaning a scrub, just clean as much as you can, then absorb the excess water with a tissue paper and then take a small cotton ball and dust it off. Okay, immediately you see that after drying up, the skin will, the whole dust part, the whole particle, the granules will immediately dust off on the side of the face. You can use dry cotton. Now we have done cleansing, we have toning, we have exfoliated the skin, we have removed every dead cell, excess dead layer on the skin. Now the fourth step is we'll apply a lotion, which is a detoxifying lotion. You have to apply it, don't have to massage, you just have to get it absorbed into the skin. Now it contains diamond ash and olive oil. Olive oil is a very strong antioxidant which controls your premature aging sign. Wherever you want to control aging, you need antioxidants. So every product in every step, the product has a lot of antioxidants. This the whole facial contains full of antioxidants. Now antioxidants means what? You need a oxidant which is to control the damage which is going inside your skin. Now this is an oxidation process. You must have heard oxygen means O2, right? The formula of oxygen is O2, 2 atoms of oxygen. But due to the stress, due to environmental factors, due to pollution, everything, due to as we grow, inside our body, this O2, oxygen is present in our blood. O2 is like, the blood carries oxygen to different parts of the body. Now this O2 splits. It becomes O1, only one single. Now this single oxygen is the one which is responsible for it works like a scavenger in your skin. It eats up all the good nutrition part from your blood, from your skin, and is going to accelerate the aging process. So you have to control this single O. Now for this single O, you need to supply an additional O so that it becomes 2 oxygen. So that additional O is supplied by the antioxidant. Right? So like diamond oxide, diamond ashes and other ingredients like olive oil, jojoba oil, green tea, a lot of natural actives are very strong active which provides that additional O to the unstable oxygen atom and make it stable. So this way the aging process is controlled. If you not use, that's why we always advise people or we recommend that eat lot of antioxidants in your diet. I mean all fruits, veggies and different skip to green tea rather than normal tea because green tea is the most richest source of antioxidants. You see the procedure is very simple. You all are professionals. You are in the industry from years. You all are experts. See the SOP we have made, the format we have made is very simple and every product carries a number also. So there is no confusion. 1, 2, 3, 4. You can always see a number is there on the product sachet. So you have to just apply it and do it in a way that we just want that. We don't want harsh massages, don't want the scrub to be rubbed too much with hands, with palms. Just few care with soft skills. You do the procedure and you will get the results. And most important thing, the biggest USP that we are not using any peels in it. It's very safe. It's not just somebody is getting this facial once in a month. You can call your client twice in a month. You can call your client thrice in a month. The only thing when your customer is coming more frequently, then reduce the massage time. Every time, don't give 20 minutes massage to the customer. Once in a month, you can give you a nice 20 minutes massage, but she is coming up with the next session, then reduce the massage time. And if you have the machines, I always insist, people always recommend, then go for this ultrasonic machine. This is very simple, very easy to use, right? And then when you are using machine, then no 20 minutes massage is required. Just 10 minutes massage and 5 to 7 to 10 minutes machines, ultrasonic machines, and you are done. Right? So the biggest USP is that it's no peels. You can call your customer. I mean, in fact, if they want to go for a cleanup, they can come in a week also, and every week they can get it done. No harmful effects, no side effects, nothing. The more frequent they get the facial done, they'll see the results are more good, more final results you'll observe. See, I mean, if she's coming for once in a month, you can do a magic, I mean, in a month. She has to be regular. Other treatments, sometimes if they contain peels, you cannot call your customer after, I mean, in fact, 2 to 3 months. There should be a gap for 2 to 3 months. So in our products, you don't have to worry about the frequency. Call them for cleanups, call them for facial. They can come for thrice in a month, always, I mean, keep in mind when the client is coming frequently, reduce the massage. That's the only thing you have to do. Only reduce the massage time. That's it. See, we have applied and see her skin has become so nourished. You can see the shine on her face. And you don't have to wipe it off. This is a lotion. This is a detox lotion. Apply it, massage it, get it absorbed on the skin, and then you apply the second product on top of it. No, yes. Yeah, you can do extraction. See, after scrubbing, when you do scrub exfoliation, then you can, if you see that lot of stubborn blackheads, whiteheads, it's little difficult to remove because it's like closed comedone. Blackheads is easy, and you can soften it by giving a mild steam on the face. So if you want to give steam, then after scrubbing, okay, first you do scrub, you will remove the excess crust on the face, okay, then give steam, and as per the skin. If the skin is dry, then less time. If skin is oily, then you can give 4 to 5 minutes, but if skin is dry, only 3 minutes. And there is another tip. If you see that the skin is very sensitive, but the blackheads are too stubborn, you need a steam. Then what you can do, take a 250 gram of water, warm water in a bowl, add 1 tablespoon of baking soda. The normal baking soda which we use to make cakes and pastry, add 1 teaspoon of baking soda in 250 ml of water. Then soak cotton strips into the water and keep on the face, and then give steam. So first of all, it will protect your skin from direct steaming, and then that will going to help the softening of comedones, or in fact that will sometimes it will help in removing whiteheads also. Right. So if you want to do extraction, then after scrub, do steaming, apply, and then you can extract blackheads and whiteheads, and then again apply rose water. Toning is very important. After extraction, give rose water hydrating toner, slightly dabbing on the face to reduce the sensitivity. There is a machine available here. Right. This is an ultrasonic machine with some color therapies, photon therapy. Right. Because ultrasonic, you will find a lot of machines with different manufacturers. Every manufacturer will come up with a new idea, and they try to make it a different. So this machine is a little different. It is an ultrasonic machine. Now, ultrasonic machine is based on ultrasound waves. You are working with ultrasound. Then the best medium for ultrasound waves to travel is the gel. You must have seen when you go to a doctor for an ultrasound, they apply first a gel, and then they keep a probe on it, on the skin. Right? So gel is the best medium to travel for ultrasound waves traveling. So we are using this machine since the machine is available with us. So now this is the step, gel. So we have a diamond gel we have applied on the face. Either we can give a massage, we give her a 10-minute massage and 10 minutes ultrasonic application. See, there are a lot of, like, you can see the light in this machine. So this red light, if you're using ultrasonic machine, and there are different light photons therapies available in this machine. The red light is for aging signs. If the client is like, you can see that you're working on an anti-aging treatment, anti-aging patient, then use red light. If you are using acne treatment, then you can use blue light. This why you must have seen some machines which are like high frequency machines. You see blue light, ozone lights. So use this light with ultrasound waves. If you are treating acne, if you are treating aging, you are working on anti-aging facial, anti-aging signs, then use. There are a lot of lights, but the red one. Sensitive skin can use this. Just blue is fine. Blue and red are the main lights. I don't know for other different lights. The Sara manufacturer has been making it very exotic and very like different. But the main light is blue and red. Even green also. Green also you can use for acne. That helps in healing of acne. So for her, we'll use the red light. So there are different combination of lights also. I mean, suppose you want to work on aging sign also, you want to work on acne thing also, or healing perspective also. Then there are different combination of different lights. But for her, I think red light is the one we should use. First what we have done, we have applied a gel. We gave 5 to 7 minutes mild massage, and again we are reapplying the rest of the product on the face, and then we will give ultrasonic machine. So this machine is very comfortable first, and always confirm the comfort level of the client also by using any modality or any machine. See, this therapy, this machine will going to produce a little thermal effect. It will give you a little thermal effect on the skin. So it's very mild, very comfortable. So the client is always more comfortable with ultrasonic than galvanic. Because galvanic machine is based on a current, on direct current. But this is very comfortable, so there is no need to worry about like the client, how will client going to take it. You can easily apply on every, like sometimes client is very hypersensitive and they don't go for any machine. Sometimes they panic also. What will do? So you can convince them it's a very safe machine and very easy to be, very comfortable. See, she is asked how do you analyze the sensitivity. See, it's a very simple trick. Take a wooden spatula, okay, and rub this spatula in between of your eyebrows, like this, with a mild pressure. You will see a lot of redness on the skin where you are rubbing, only on between the eyebrows, with a wooden spatula with a mild pressure, and then check the timings. The more time it will take to become normal, the more the sensitivity is more high. One thing, then touch your skin. Sensitive skin is more warm. When the skin is more warm or heated, you will see the sensitivity. The more it's warm, it's more sensitive. So two things, by these simple tests, you can actually able to analyze that her skin is sensitivity and at what level. If skin is too warm, too hot, that means skin is hypersensitive, very sensitive skin. And the more time it's taking, normal, mild, every skin is little sensitive. But so it will take a time to become normal. Sometimes 2 minutes, sometimes 1 minute. The sensitive skin will not become normal very early. It will take much more time than the other. So you will be able to gauge that what kind of the skin and the temperature. Always check the temperature. So first, the most when we can analyze after cleansing, after removing makeup, after cleansing, after toning, check the sensitivity level. Touch the skin, see, check the toning, how tone is the skin, how the strength. any special concern of the face, any pigmentation, under eye diagram, always note down that what are the concerns of the client. Then it will help you to choose the right product for her. Always consult and make a note, a separate note for your customer. Then see and ask her about different like some medical conditions, about her medical conditions also, because we usually going to use machines on the face. Then there are certain things which you have to follow about the contraindications of machine, because sometimes you have to see that on which client you can give and on which client you can't apply machine on every customer. Suppose if you are using a galvanic machine, you have to see that the client should not have any kind of metal filling in her mouth, because metal is a very good conductor of electricity. So when you apply that machine, you are going to give her a shock, right? So you have to check before giving these are the things which you check before starting a facial. Skin analyzing, sensitivity level, special concerns on the face, little like our medical history, the kind of medicines she's taking any special medications, any past history she want to share, any surgery, any kind of metal implants in the body or in the mouth. These are the few things which you should ask before doing a facial. So now, because these are the things which are going to help you in choosing the machine also, because this ultrasonic machine is safe for the people who have a metal implant, but the galvanic machine is not. You cannot use, right? And you cannot use galvanic machine on the clients who have visible broken capillaries on the face. You see, sometimes the skin becomes so thin you can actually see the fine capillaries, red and blue veins, fine blue veins from the skin. So then again you will not be able to use the galvanic machine. So there are few things which you need to be careful before application of any product and of using the machines. So this is a very safe machine. Ultrasonic machine is very safe. It suits to most of the clients, most of the people, because it's not working on current, it's working on waves, ultrasound waves, which have a very high wavelength, high frequency. Then it goes into a deeper layer, it goes to the second layer of the skin, to the dermis layer of the skin. So now what we are doing, where we are taking the maximum benefit of diamond ash and other ingredients which we have applied with this machine. It is carrying all the therapeutic waves of the therapeutic energies, healing energies inside to the skin, to the deeper layer, and it helps you to control your aging cell, which is diamond is the main objective of using diamond oxide, or is to prevent and control your premature aging sign and to increase the detoxification procedure inside your body. And whenever you're using this ultrasonic probe, always use you can use you just have to do like this with your wrist, right? And with a very mild pressure, very mild, just a very mild pressure, not very strongly, just a mild pressure, and just twist your wrist like this. I think it's enough, 5 to 6 minutes. We have given 10 minutes massage on her face with diamond gel and 10 minutes ultrasonic treatment to enhance the result and to penetrate the diamond ash oxide and to get to handle all the premature aging concerns, because all the collagen and elastin fiber is present in your dermis layer. Now you will wipe off. First the detox lotion, you just have to apply it, massage and absorb the skin. After the massage you can wipe off. Your last step is a bag, which is a very rich mask. It's a wash-off mask, diamond wash-off mask. It's not a clay-based bag. It's a wash of mask, a different. I mean, when you see, you will apply it. It will going to give you after 5 to 10 minutes. It will get it absorbed into the skin and give you a very transparent effect. Right? It's kind of a non-setting mask. It will not give you a very tight skin or firmness like which you generally find out after applying any herbal or clay-based mask. It's a non-setting mask. It will not completely dries off. Right? But important is to keep it the time. Keep it for 10 to 15 minutes. You don't have to worry about that whether it's dried off or not. Keep it for 15 minutes. And it's not just a simple pack, a herbal pack, a clay based, it's a mask. If you have any questions regarding product, regarding procedure, or any doubts, see, since it's very safe and generally you must have seen that the doctor also recommend for sonographies and ultrasounds for pregnant ladies. It's like a part of their normal treatment pregnancy. So it's safe, but generally for pregnant ladies, they don't go for facials and very strong massages. That we should avoid. A harsh massage on face also we should avoid. They require just very mild cleansing effect, just a cleanup, a very mild. No massages, no facial massages, heavy massages. We should not give to the clients who during pregnancy. While we want to keep this pack for 5-10 minutes. If you have any queries and any questions, not for this product, any question, any query you must have. You're doing these treatments. Daily in your salon. You must be facing a lot of queries from your clients, and you might have doubts about the products or any other treatment. You mean that if a client want to get a bleach and facial together, right? Then see, always go for bleaching first, but give a gap of like 15 minutes in between, because after bleaching, you have to neutralize that bleaching effect from the skin, because now you cannot immediately start up a facial. First, do cleansing before applying a bleach. You will do a cleansing part. So cleansing part is done, right? Then you will apply a bleach. Then give her a nice cold compression after bleaching. So bring back the skin to the normal level, and then you can apply a scrub. But they don't apply immediately exfoliator immediately after bleaching, because that will going to irritate her. You can do, there's no harm in doing it, bleaching facial together. You can do, but just be careful about the skin sensitivity. That's it.
Another question. Normally I'm using a VLCC gold facial, and then the face mask always need to peel off, right? So they have any other alternative face mask for gold facial?
For gold facial, we don't have any other alternative mask, because in fact that's in retail packaging is again a peel off mask only. So if you need a product which is based on gold only, so I'm sorry, we don't have any other pack which is based on gold oxide only. So what you can do, you can make a little change. If you are using a gold facial, then because it's a double cleansing, it's double exfoliation, then give it before scrubbing or after scrubbing, as per your suitability, wherever it's convenient for you. Then after completing the whole procedure, then give her if she insists to go for a pack, then you can give any other pack. You can give her our diamond pack, which is available in other pack or the retail packaging also. So you can combine, because since it's the same series, jewel series, you can apply this wash of mask. Then you're not going to irritate her skin. So you can use this peel off mask before massage. Before massage and after massage, as a last pack, you can add this, which is available in separate packaging. Otherwise, because it's on available in the kit only. But this, yeah.
Okay, another thing is, let's say people they want to get married. They have a lot of pimples in their face. they want to do a gold facial means, am I to do that or?
No, if she is having like pimples or pustules or acne on her face, then no. You can go for a skin which has a crust on the face. Mild comedones or blackheads. Cold facial is very good. It has a peel off mask which works as a very deep exfoliator. Right. So you can apply, but if there are visible acne or pimples on the face, first you have to treat her that concern. Then, in fact, not about gold facial, you can use any other facial unless her skin is normal to get any other treatment. It's not just about gold.
What are the best facial
For a bride? See, if your bride comes, 6 months before marriage, they can then start up with the dealing with her concerns first. Right? Don't go with the glow part. Always see the problem, the skin condition. Start working on her skin condition. If she is having acne, then first try to treat her acne. Then your skin whitening, glowing, everything comes before 2 months of marriage. If she's coming before 6 months, then first treat her different conditions, and then you can go for this. Diamond is very good. Diamond facial. This is again a very good facial. And see, I've already told you that you can give these facials in like 4 times in a month. So when you're doing a pre-bridal session, then split her pre-bridal packages into different settings. Call her more frequently. Right, different. Then you can go for whitening treatments. You can go for diamond facial. This treatment, diamond facial. You can go for gold also, and pearl is also very good. So you can combine different things. It's not always necessary to go for a single facial on single client. You always do a facial as per the condition of the skin, as per the requirement. So when the client is coming up, she will be coming up with a different condition and different concern, because the climate changes, the skin changes. Right. So always choose, and there is no harm in choosing different facials at different. You have to combine it, make a package, sittings, and so go for whitening facials only before 1 month of her marriage or 2 months. Apart from that, always treat. If she don't have any acne, then you can go for the different facials, party facials. These are instant glow facials, different sessions. Call her at least thrice in a month.
Okay, what are the difference for the bleaching and whitening facial?
See, bleaching is a procedure. Bleaching is a chemical procedure of lightening the pigment of color. Now, it's the same pigment which gives colors to your hair. It's the same pigment which gives colors to your skin, which is melanin. Right. So when you are doing bleaching, it is a cream which contains hydrogen peroxide, and there is a product, in a powder form, which is ammonia. So when you combine hydrogen peroxide and ammonia together, a chemical reaction happens, and it leads to the oxidation process. An oxidation process happens, and it removes the pigment from the layers of hairs and skin. That's why you see a lighter skin tone after bleaching on the face also. Your hair will going to lighten, and your face color is also going to lighten a little up, because it's the procedure. Now, whitening is a different thing. Whitening is again, you're working on the skin only. You're not working on hairs. When you're working with skin whitening, you are focusing on the melanin which is present on your skin. So there you need a product which control the melanin production also. Because what happens due to sun exposure, or there are other factors also, your melanocyte which is producing that pigment becomes active. So when we work on skin whitening with skin whitening product, I am talking about my product, we don't use any cream peels in it. So which is a very easy and instant way to give whitening, but very dangerous and very harmful. Right? It's like a drug to your, if you're using a peel, then you will not like any other product. Because after 15 to 20 days, you'll see your skin become more dark. And again, you will, you will crave for that whitening effect, and again you will go for the white peel-based product. So, and eventually, after some time, the skin has become so thin that I don't have words that how much it gives damage to your skin. So whitening, in our products we use active to lighten the pigmentation or remove the tan, and to control the production of overproduction. You know what happens? If your melanocyte is a factory which is producing color pigment, melanin pigment, which is giving color. Right? We all have a different complexion here. So it's by nature our melanocyte is producing our skin color pigments which is giving color to our skin, right? So when there are few activities which disturbs the activity, so either your melanocyte will start producing more melanin, or either they will stop producing melanin, or sometimes you will see pigmentation and sometimes you will see white patches on the face. So white patches is again it's a pigmentation problem only. So on the when you have white patches, it means your melanin is not producing. Your melanocyte is not producing melanin pigment. When you're getting darker big patches on the face, dark skin pigment, it means your melanocyte is producing more melanin. So there is an enzyme which controls. So in our products we use active which controls the activity of melanin. So that makes product very safe for skin, and it not only reduces the appearance or lightens the pigmentation, it also it gives you a long-term benefit. It controls your pigmentation.
My last question.
Yeah, sure.
Okay, let's say the bright dark skin, brown, and they want to make a gold facial and then whitening. How often they can do that?
Gold facial and whitening. See, I told you that whitening only go for when her marriage is nearer. I mean, when the occasion is closer, then go for 3 sessions of whitening before her marriage. And yes, one session you can go for gold also. You can mix it also. One whitening, one gold. One whitening, one gold. You can combine it in a way also. You don't require to do it in a series of facial whitening only. You can mix and match with both the facials. Same month, yes, same month. Only reduce the timings. Only that's why I think always reduce the massage time. Every time don't use this machine, ultrasonic. Use this machine. This will give you very good results. I think the important benefit is you are giving massage and you are getting the result. That's the main USP of using these machines. You are not giving massage, but still you get the desired results which you are looking for the bride. Very safe machine, very easy to use, easily available in the market.